Can you believe AI made me for free? Seriously, it's crazy what it can do.
And today, I'll show you exactly how you can do it too with Grok AI for free. We will go over step by step how to create characters, videos, and visuals that look just like this. This video is loaded with fresh demos, new techniques, and practical examples that go far beyond the previous tutorial. With these demos, you will learn how to turn any idea, literally any idea, into life. And at the end, I'm going to show you a simple trick to turn short AI videos into longer ones, something almost nobody talks about. Let's dive in. If you are enjoying this content, like the video and subscribe to the channel so YouTube shows you more videos like this. All right, first step, accessing the tool for free. I'm opening up Grok AI, and as you'll see, I'm logging in with my Google account. It's quick, easy, and, again, requires no payment whatsoever. I'm not on a premium plan, and that's important, because everything I'm about to show you today is achievable using the free tier. Now that we're inside, I suggest making a small but important setting change. Go to Settings, then the Behavior tab, and turn off Auto Video Generation. This way, Grok won't create a video automatically every time you upload an image. Now, I'm clicking the Imagine tab on the left. This is the creative hub of Grok AI, your photo studio, video generator, animation lab, and idea engine all in one. When you scroll down this page, you'll see dozens of examples. And here's something a lot of people overlook. You can hover over any example to see the exact prompt that generated it. This is such a powerful way to learn. You can reverse engineer what others are doing well, spot creative patterns, and use them to upgrade your own prompting skills. And right at the bottom is the message box. This is where we'll type every prompt for every demo in this video. All right, you're officially set up. Let's start creating. We're kicking things off with some pure brain rot content. Fun fact, brain rot was actually chosen as Oxford's Word of the Year. Wild, right? For this demo, we will create a hilarious Last Supper style image. I'm entering this prompt where the entire Last Supper scene gets reimagined as a brain rot influencer event. Everyone holding ring lights, live streaming, posing dramatically, or taking selfies. And I hit generate. Wow. Grok is now much faster, generating results in seconds. It gives us a full brain rot influencer dinner. The neon lighting blasts through the background like a TikTok studio. Every character has a different dramatic expression. People holding phones to take selfies are hilarious. It's funny, it's chaotic, but it's also surprisingly coherent, like a Renaissance painting that fell into the algorithm and got remixed for clout. In Grok, you can refine the result instantly by typing a new prompt into the same chat box where the images are generated. I am typing Ultra Cinematic, and instantly the image is upgraded. Dramatic lighting, neon glow, sharper details, and suddenly this influencer Last Supper looks like a full-on movie poster. Now let's try turning one of these results into a video. I'm picking this one and clicking Make Video. For this demo video, I'm not using any prompt, so you can see how Grok automatically handles image-to-video generation. Let's see the result. The clip Grok generates is honestly hilarious. The characters move in perfect sync, almost like they rehearsed together, and even the background music locks perfectly into their rhythm. So let's try another one. This one turns out amazing too. The background music and character movements sync again, but this time the tone is totally different, slower and smoother. It's impressive how Grok adjusts the mood automatically. All right, that was the perfect warm-up. Now let's move into something very creative and interesting. This is one of my favorite features, generating a full multi-scene story from a single prompt. Here I'm using a prompt to create a 5-panel comic, with no need to design each panel manually. Grok builds everything in one go. You can even adjust the output ratios. And for this demo, I'm choosing the wide option. In seconds, it delivers dozens of comic concepts. I asked for a story about a YouTuber, and it nailed it in multiple styles. Some colorful and energetic, others simple and minimal. This is a real game changer. One prompt can spark story ideas and instantly generate content for them, making it incredibly useful for creators in any niche. All right, let's test creating a character and making it say whatever we want. I enter a prompt to generate a purple creature. Soft fur, glowing eyes, full of personality. In seconds, the results appear. I pick one I like. In the text box, I type in a spoken line. Here's the wild part. Grok handles the animation and lip sync automatically. Here is the result.
Did you know the AI Garage drops new, actionable AI tips every week? If you like this, hit like and subscribe.
A fully animated creature with natural lip movement, expressive eyes, soft lighting, and this adorable magical vibe. This alone unlocks so many possibilities. Animated storytellers, explainer characters, mascots, short films, anything you can imagine. Next, let's try using the video generator. For that, I am selecting the video from this menu. And let's try something harder, a speaking human. Humans require much more nuance, eye movement, lip accuracy, lighting, facial muscle changes. Let's see the result.
You can create and make avatars speak, just like me, with Grok AI. Welcome to the future.
It is very accurate. Expressive eyes, natural head motion, clean lip sync. To be honest, I used professional AI avatar generators, and this result is very similar to them. If you are a creator, I bet you are already thinking you can create endless content with this avatar creating and speaking feature. Okay, now let's create ads. If you're a marketer, pay extra close attention here. Imagine we're marketing a premium coffee brand. I enter a simple prompt, but notice how I ask for concepts, not just outputs. This helps the AI think instead of just creating. In seconds, we get endless ideas and visuals. Soft, warm lighting, dramatic steam, modern typography. Everything looks instantly polished. Let's turn one of them into a video for a separate post on the brand's social channels. I just select the image I want and click Make Video for automatic video creation. It's really good again and ready to publish, but maybe the audience is younger. So I drop this prompt into the same chat. And instantly the whole brand vibe flips. Same product, totally different energy with Gen Z style messaging and emojis. Now let's create a talking ad. I'm switching back to video and entering this prompt for a fictional coffee brand, Nova Brew. Let's see the result.
Coffee isn't just a drink, it's a moment. Experience it differently with Nova Brew.
And just like that, you get a fully animated talking ad in seconds. This is a game changer for creators, marketers, and brands making UGC-style ads. Now let me show you the trick I mentioned earlier, extending short clips into long cinematic videos. I start by generating images of a robot walking through New York. And once the results appear, I pick one and turn it into a video using the Make Video button. We now have a 7-second clip, but we can extend it as long as we want. I go to the last frame of the clip, take a screenshot, and use it as a reference for the next video. Then I return to chat, switch to video mode, upload the saved frame, and type a new prompt describing what I want to happen next. For example, having the robot speak. This gives us a 7-second clip.
Hi, welcome to New York. Let me show you around.
I simply stitch both clips together in CapCut using the mix transition, which you can do in any editor.
Hi, welcome to New York. Let me show you around.
We now have a smooth 14-second video created from a 7-second one. And you can keep repeating this process to build 30, 60, or even 120-second cinematic sequences, so you're no longer limited by short clips.
And that wraps up today's video. I hope these demos spark a ton of new ideas for your own projects.
If you want more deep dives like this, don't forget to subscribe. And before you go, drop a comment below and tell me what you want me to test next. I'm reading everything. See you in the next one.